what's up everyone? Like Android, now you can get Facebook Messenger StarWars theme on your any iPhone or iPad. Literally it's on any iOS. So for having that, just simply open your Messenger, and like Android, you just have to go to the conversations. For the conversations you want to have that StarWars theme, just tap on the name that is the info menu of that conversation, and from theme you can get to see this StarWars theme. Just select on it and you see in the background there is starry background, and this theme is really so good. And there's a benefit that as it's in dark mode, it even saves your battery if your phone running on OLED panel. So that's really nice. Not only that, you can get even StarWars themed reactions. That's really so good because everything is StarWars mode. And if you want, you can even get a StarWars sticker pack. And for that, just simply go to sticker store, and from here you can see a sticker pack. Just simply download. This StarWars sticker pack is not that much great, but yeah, if you are a fan of StarWars, it's for you. You can give it a try. And these sticker packs not that bad, it's just simple StarWars sticker pack, so that's it. And if you want, you can even get StarWars AR effect on camera, so definitely give it a try and be ready for the real force on December 20. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, leave your comment, are you having it already or not. That's it. I'm John, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, peace out.